In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark as paid an expense in Expensify. We'll walk through the full process together on screen so you can confidently update the status of an expense once it's been reimbursed or settled. This is really useful for keeping your reports clean and making sure you're not double paying anything. Let's start from the main Expensify workspace. First, look toward the navigation area where you manage your different views and tools. Here, you'll want to open the section labeled Reports. This is where Expensify groups expense reports rather than individual line items, so think of it as the hub for anything that's been submitted or is ready to be reconciled. Once you're inside the report section, find and click on the specific report that contains the expense you want to mark as paid. The report name might reflect a trip, a month, or a particular project. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct one by checking basic details like dates or total amount. Opening the right report is important so you don't accidentally update the wrong expenses. With that report open, navigate to the part of the screen where you can see a breakdown of everything included in that report. You'll see an option or tab labeled Expenses. Go ahead and click on Expenses. This will switch the view so you can see each individual expense line within that report, including merchant names, categories, dates, and amounts. Now that you're looking at the list, locate the specific expense or group of expenses that you know has already been paid. Once you've found it, click on that expense entry to open its detailed view inside the report. This zooms in so you can clearly see all the information tied to that particular item, which is helpful for double checking things like payment method and notes before you update the status. In the detailed view, look for a small arrow icon near the expense status or action area. This arrow usually indicates that there's a drop-down menu or more options available. Click on that arrow to reveal additional actions you can take for this expense. From the list of options that appears, choose Mark as Paid. When you click Mark as Paid, Expensify will update the status of that expense to show that it has been settled. This helps you and your team quickly see which items are still outstanding and which ones are already taken care of, keeping your expense management accurate and up to date.